Baby toys pedal piano toy. For orders, please check video description. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. 66% discount, actual price 32 US dollar. After 66% discount, this is the discount price. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Baby toys pedal piano. This is the measurement and game mat for newborn baby and newborn fitness equipment. Okay, 0 to 6 months lie down and play, 6 to 9 months, and 9 to 36 months. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Okay, and 300 plus reviews, 1000 plus sold already. Lots of green, blue, this one is blue, this one is red, and this one is pink, this one is green. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check video description.